Hi and welcome to a Whimsy Stamps product reveal video. Today I'm sharing the You Are word die set. There are 6 individual dies in this die set. We have an uppercase Y, we have a lowercase y, we have OU with a flourish at the end of the U, and we have an apostrophe RE, the word R, and an OU without a flourish, so you can create the word your. So here I have die cut them out. You can either keep them all together or you can bend the dies apart. You can also use some wire snips to cut them apart. Here is the first word, your, and I use the O and the U without the flourish so that the U will connect to the R and there is an apostrophe. And then we have the lowercase y, and I partnered that with the OU with the flourish on both ends and with the small die cut R to spell out UR. And here you can see I used You Are as well as the new Love Word die set to create You Are Loved sentiment with these adorable little elephants. If you like to check out all of the new products released today from Whimsy Stamps, go ahead and use that link down below in the description. You can see everything I used to create that elephant card, and we hope you'll check us out on the rest of our social media sites. Have a great day!